Today I'm going to show you how to make one ingredient cheese. You will need fresh raw milk. Store-bought milk will not work for this. Then you will also want to skim off the cream because the cream will go moldy. Then you will just leave it setting in a warm place until it goes thick. See how it's one big solid mass when I shake it and the whey comes up from underneath? It'll also have this spongy texture. Once it's like this, it's ready to be heated up. After it's heated up enough that you see these bubbles coming up from underneath, you will cut it into smaller pieces and then flip it over and start stirring it really good to just break it up. You're going to want to move it away from the heat and let it set just a little bit to cool off, and it will look like this, more separated, and then it's time to strain it. For straining, you're going to need a really fine metal strainer like this or a regular colander, and it's going to need to be lined with some good quality cheesecloth. While you're straining it, you're going to need to stir it, or if you're using the cheesecloth, you're going to have to be careful and maybe just lift it up and kind of tilt it around so that the whey can go through it faster and not get so clogged up, or it'll take longer for it to strain. Once you have all of it strained, you're just going to let it cool off a little bit longer, and then your cheese is done. But if you know anything about cheese, cheese isn't cheese without salt, so you're going to want to mix in some salt. Cheese takes a lot of salt, so you're going to want to add a little bit, mix it around really good, taste it, and then add more, and repeat that until you get it just how you want it. Now this makes a very dry and crumbly cheese. You want to make sure you strained it out really well. If you left too much whey in, it's going to be moist and it's going to go sour even faster. It's kind of got a tangy flavor. It is an acquired taste for some people. If you guys decide to give this a try, let me know what you thought in the comments, and any questions, just put them in there as well. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a good day.